What's up, guys? It's a couple days after the big snowstorm down here in Shelburne, Nova Scotia. We got about a foot this last time. We already had a couple storms before that hadn't melted off yet. So we must have at least a foot to 2 feet in the woods. I don't really know, I ain't been out, but we gonna learn today. We almost got stuck in the backyard trying to get out of here, so we almost never even got out today. Let's go see what the trails look like if anybody been through yet. Let's do it. Didn't bother hooking up my heater today. It's like +2 out. Just put on some nice warm clothes and away we go. In here, make sure we're in 2-wheel drive, high gear. Yeah, the snowbanks everywhere, just like the rest of the province. Typically, we don't get as much snow down this way. Fucked around and found out this winter, didn't we? We got a car behind us here. Make sure we signal. Turn off. Yeah, it looks like some people's been through. Oh, maybe not. Nope. Get off to the side, it's 2 feet deep. But in the middle, it's already packed down from where other people drove. Breaking trail, baby, it's what we do. Woo-hoo, almost got off the side there. It's 2 feet deep over there. Yeah, that's rough, man, on that side. You get off the middle, it's 2 feet deep. Here, it's only about, I don't know, 8 inches or something. Yeah, this trail is only another, well, on a good day, it only takes you about 1 minute to 5 minutes to drive through here. We'll keep going at it. Set up camera and get you an outdoor view. Try to crawl through it a bit. Like spinning too much, but I don't want to lose my momentum and get stuck either. Looks deep here. going. Stop here a sec. Set up camera or something. This is a good sized bank. I am not sure I can get through it, but we gonna learn today. Well, there you go. This is trail breaking with Scotian Off-Road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Wait a minute, what's that?
Check him out, Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.